Okay, we are back, but we are on Granny 2 now. Oh, that's very nice. Come on, get up. There you go. Okay, so if I remember, yep, this is the way. Okay, so first, we always check this, just because it's there. Oh, Grandpa's right there! Luckily, he's blind. Let's just open this right away. We're gonna be escaping through the front door. Are you serious? To be honest with you, I don't even remember what's all at the front door. I know a spark plug is it though. So I do know, so don't worry. Oh, Green's right there! That was close. Grandpa's probably upstairs, isn't he? You go down. No one down. Oh, he's right there. Be very quiet. Shh.
I see you.
Green, you do not see me. These boxes, dude. They won't move. Yeah, take the box in with you. That's fine. Oh my god, this is scary, man. What's in here? I don't understand. Oh, is the door now for the front door, you think? Because I've never actually used it now. Ooh, that's loud. Get back in. I'm just gonna assume the door handle is for the front door. So let's just bring it with us all the way down to the front door. Grandpa? Oh, he's in there. Oh, no. Go past. Grandpa saw me. No way. Oh, he's chasing me. Oh my gosh, he is chasing me. Yeah, I'm assuming it's for the front door, so. Shoot. Granny's gonna come in any second now. You gotta be quiet. Oh, baby's in here. Sometimes there's a stun gun under here. Oh, alright. Not this map. So I'm gonna tell you that. There's no stun gun here. Oh. Grandpa, calm down. We'll just take the manual because, who really cares? Granny's not here. Open the drawer. Weapon key, no way. Nothing. Dude, the weapon key already? I'll just go get it right now. There's no reason not to. Okay. Get shotgun acquired. Granny, where are you? Granny? You around there? Oh. Where's Granny? Or Grandpa, even though. Whichever one.
Where are you?
Granny, I'm upstairs. Just opening every one of these. Ooh, oh, that's a sunman right there. Okay. Does it crowbar? Yes, it does. Yes, that is good. Oh, Granny! See you, Gran. Oh, Grandpa! Bro, you guys are jump scaring me. Jeez. That's scary, man. Don't jump scare me like that ever again. Boat key. Wait, we can give him a shotgun to open the thing. Let's get up here first. I'm just gonna shoot this. Perfect. And we can also check this, see if anything's in there. Nothing? Wow, okay. You make it hard, aren't you, game? Glass fuse. I don't think we really need that. There's something? I forgot what was in here. Oh, wait. I don't even remember what was in there. Is it the weapon key? I don't know. Let's go give this baby boy some meat. Come on, buddy. You can go back in your home. I'll feed you. Wait, there's still water. Wait, I didn't even. Oh shoot! I get the wrench still. Where's the wrench again? I saw it before. I saw the wrench earlier. Where is it? Was it in here? What was in here? Was it? What was? Go the fast way. Can't reach it yet. There we go. Drop that. Don't need it anymore, I think. And then grab the meat and then feed the baby boy some meat. Probably isn't eating in days. There you go, buddy. It's okay. Helicopter. There's no use. There's no point in the helicopter key. I don't even need it. A waste of my time. That's what that was. Rainy, you back? Oh shoot, she's right there. Where I leave the shotgun? Shoot. Rainey's right there. I can't even get past. Grandpa, are you here too? Shotgun. Granny, would you stay still for me, lady?
I see you.
Grandpa! I heard him. I didn't know where he was. I freaked out. No way. I didn't know where he was, man. I just freaked out. Then he got me. Okay. Well, that's fair. My fault. The crowbar was upstairs, right? I think it was. Let's go do that right now. Yep, those right here. Perfect. See what we got. These boxes. As long as no one's here. Green's right there. Let's just shoot her. See a pop now. Crowbar. Gasoline. Ooh, can't really do anything with that. Did I give you something useful, Gimme? Oh, Grandpa's. Get him. Grab the shotgun. Grandpa. Got something for you, buddy. Grandpa? Actually, let's just leave Grandpa for now. Probably good. Oh, never mind. I was about to shoot you, Grandpa, but I decided not to. I'm a nice guy. Don't worry. Let's just go downstairs and use our crowbar on the box. If I remember correctly, the box is over here somewhere. Yep. Yep, it's right there. Actually, let's go see if anything's on here. Really quick. Just in case. Nothing. Oh, wait. Duct tape. That's no use. Okay. Try trimming that out. So I remember correctly, there's a box under here that I can cut. Yup. There we go. Grandpa! Bro, it's Grandpa every time. I should have shot him when I saw him. Oh, our sound's still here. Oh, thank God. Last time it cut out. No, it's not. I don't know. Thank God this thing didn't cut out. My guy's like beat up though. He's going through a lot of stuff. Did I investigate this whole thing? Yeah, we did. We're good. We good. Oh, Grandpa's up. I'm just gonna follow Grandpa up the stairs. Keep going, Gramps. So what we're doing? Oh yeah, we're gonna get the wire cutter things. I might just shoot the shotgun. Why doesn't he just pick it up? Just pick up the shotgun, Grandpa. Gonna walk right past it. Biggest mistake of your life, Grandpa. Grand's gotta be mad, right? Somewhere. Or should it be mad that I dropped something? Bulky, I forgot that was in there. Let's go cut these things, though. I think we already opened it. Okay. Let's see what we got. Oh, nice, a dead body. Okay. Safe key. Okay, safe key. Where's Granny? Granny? Oh, she's right there. She went to the kitchen. Granny, come here. Locked and loaded. Idiot. Okay, let's go open the safe. Oh, it did disable the wires. Perfect. Padlock key. Wait, can I do anything? Is there a padlock on this door? Oh, yes. We need the crowbar to remove those. Okay, grab these. Now we can cut these off, right? Wait, didn't I see chains on here? I thought I saw chains. Wait, what? I'm just plain out confused. Just drop it, just in case. We'll go. The crowbar's downstairs, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Okay. Grab the crowbar, then we'll knock down those things. Wood plank. Pop. Pop. Now we just need the hand wheel, right? Something like that. We'll just grab these pictures, because what if it's upstairs? It might be up there, I don't know. Oh, Grandpa's back. I hear Grandpa going off with the radio thing. Music, this freaking jam. Got the shotgun back. Ammo and ammo. Perfect. Grandpa? Granny? Did you hear? Grandma! Sorry, Granny, that's what I gotta do. Okay, where's the paint and pictures things? I think we might need those. Over there, huh? They're scattered around here somewhere. I don't know where. Hi, Granny. I can drop that. Picture frames, where are you? That was unnecessary. Where's the picture frames? Or the paintings, whatever. I don't know where they are. Saw them before though. Wow, unnecessary how close this is. I would just need one more. Wait, wasn't it under here? Oh my gosh, this whole time. I'm cutting that out for sure. Wow, that took forever. Let's go deliver this thing. Granny! Oh my gosh! That was close. Holy Granny. I luckily have the fastest reflexes ever recorded. I would have been dead. Holy, that scared me. Wow. Let's open this. I need the shotgun. Come on. Where is the shotgun? I think it was like down here. Please tell me it's down here. Grandpa! Dude. I just need a shotgun. That's all I need. Just get up, dude. We need to get this thing on the road. Come on. Where do I leave the shotgun? It's gonna be down here, right? I think it'll be down here.
I see you.
No, you don't, Grandpa. Grandpa. How's your gun? Go, go, go. Please. Granny! Why is Granny here, dude? Grandpa. This is making me like scared and mad at the same time. It's such a weird feeling. Just get up. Just get in here, please. Shut the door behind you. Shut it. There's Grandpa right there. I don't want to deal with him. Just freaking limping. I was limping on a ladder. Okay, we are back. Start this game, please. Got it. See, I got that one nice. Got it. Now it's unlocked. Glass fuse. There's not on the hand wheel though. I need the glass fuse. Are you kidding me? There's a boat steering wheel. We do not need a boat steering wheel. Sorry, but just don't. Granny, come here. No, Granny. Learn your lesson, lady. What the shotgun?
I see you.
Well, Grandpa's not happy about that one. Just grab the other shotgun. Chill, and then we'll shoot him, and then should be both done. Check this one more time. No, I'm not gonna. Just in case. No way. No way. This whole time he was in there.
I see you.
Grandpa! Grandpa, you are annoying me so much. If we lose because Grandpa's right there, I'm not going to be happy. We got to play this so cautiously now. It's the last day. It's the last day. We just need one thing. We're going to have to probably try to shoot them both. Honestly. We'll start making progress. Careful. It could be anywhere. Literally. Check my corners. Oh, Granny, Granny, go, go, go. Back, back, back. This is not good. Oh my god.
I see you.
Oh, Grandpa's right there. Dude, they are trying to... They're out for blood. Brother, out for blood. I have to hide. Yeah, you did. Granny's right there. I'm giving her the loot, but I don't have time. Granny, come here. Come on, Granny. Go, 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 go. And you shoot Granny and then just go. But that's the step. So you hear that. Granny, come up the stairs. I need to shoot you, man. Come on. Come on. Yeah, let's grab the shotgun real quick. Where did I leave the shotgun? I might have left it upstairs. Drop it. Pick it up, pick it up. Granny, come out. I'm playing games with you. Shoot! Oh my gosh, I almost didn't shoot. That would have been horrible.
I
Quick,
see
lady.
you.
I know you do, Grandpa. If we fall, we die. Thank God we didn't fall. And Will, where are you? Run, run. He's in there. He's in there. Come on. We need to just put this on. Luckily, he cannot hear or read the end. Maybe. I don't know. Turn that. I should open the gate then. Yes! Grandpa, I swear if you come out right now. We're gone. We're gone. See ya, Gramps! Oh my god. That was scary. Holy. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. And that was the end. I think that's about all the endings.